You're welcome to today's lecture on the course BDT 253 Pharmaceutical Calculations. Today we want to solve some questions, as you can see on the board. Some practical questions on numbers and enumeration and notations. So that's what we do today. We'll solve as many questions as we can within the time we have. Sorry, before I continue, you saw what was posted on the group, right? Your names and the index numbers. Please, if I were here, I'll print that out and keep. Know your index numbers. Print that out and keep in your file. Are we together? So print out, keep it in your file, asterisk your name. That your index number is very important. Because when you come back to start asking for it, nobody will talk to you. When that time comes, by next year, when you'll be preparing for a council exam, nobody will talk to you. So ensure you print it and keep, file it. Anything you see posted there, print it out and do what? File. Be it result, whatever. Print it out and do what? File it. That group is for very important information. Don't just look at it and scroll up. All right. So we look at this question and we take it off from there. The question says the following products are on sale for 15% off the regular price. Determine the total amount of savings of the customer. So this is the prescription, or call it order, as case may be. So here is 100 paracetamol 500 milligram tablets at 20 Nigerian naira. That is, a tablet is what? 20 Nigerian naira. Then 50 vitamin C 200 milligram tablets at 10 Nigerian naira. So they want us to find out the savings of the customer. First of all, for us to solve this is under percentage, hope you know. For us to solve this, we calculate the normal price, that is the regular price. Then we now calculate 15% of that what? Regular price. So that 15% discount is the savings of the what? The customer. Am I communicating? Yes. They didn't ask you how much it was sold to the customer. No. The savings. Under normal circumstances, without the discount, the customer would have bought it so price. But they have 15% discount. In Igbo language, you say that ewa poly again 15%. So that is the amount the customer will save. Now, true of us. So the savings of that customer is 15% of the what? Normal price. So the first task is to calculate the normal what? Price. That is the regular what? Price. So we have 100 paracetamol tablets. We have 100 paracetamol, 100 watts? Paracetamol what? Tablets. The price is, a tablet is what? 20 naira. So total is what? The 100 tablet times what? 20 naira. So let me stop repeating what is already here. Let me go straight to the point. So we have number one, we have what? Solution. So what we do here is what? Paracetamol is equal to what? 100 tablet, right? Times 20 Nigerian naira per what? Tablet, which is what? Tablet to cash tablet, which is what? 2,000 what? Nigerian naira. Then vitamin C, how many? 50 tablets, right? 50 tablets, 50 tabs, times how much? 10 Nigerian naira per what? Tablets. So tablet will do what? Cash tablet. So we have what? 50 times 10 is what? 500 Nigerian what? Naira. So total amount is equal to what? 2,500 what? So this is the regular what? Cost of this drug. Are we together? So this is the regular cost of this prescription or order, as case may be. So, but we are told that the product we are on sale for 15% off. That's the discount. Regular what? It's not off, it's off. OFF, please. Of the regular what? Price. So 50% of this discounts is equal to what? 15% of what? 2,500 what? Nigerian what? Naira. Which is certain as saying 15% over what? 100 times what? What's the answer? 3 what? 75 Nigerian what? Naira. So the patient saving is equal to what? The discount. All together. Not patient. Customers what? Savings is equal to what? The what? Discount, right? Which is what? 375 what? Nigerian naira. Is it clear? Any confusion here? Is it clear? Gift. Is your question? Have I answered your question? That's why I said you should write it correct on, so we'll solve it together. All right, so if we understood this one, let's look at the second one. The second one says, sorry, this thing is disturbing. It's blocking. Shall we? Yeah. All right, the second one says, a medication order calls for 250 milligram of a drug in 100 ml of what? Solution. How many grams of the drug are needed to prepare 500 ml of the what? Solution. So if to solve this question, I think I can solve it here. Solution. So we are told that 250 milligram of the drug is in what? 100 ml what? Solution. Are we together? So if you have 250 milligram of the what? Is in what? 100 ml what? Solution. So we are now asked, how many grams of the drug are needed to prepare 500 ml of what? Solution. So if we have 250 milligram of the drug in 100 ml solution, how many of the drug will be in what? 500 ml what? Solution. We don't know, right? Yes. We call it X. So if we cross multiply, X now becomes 250 milligram of the drug times what? 500 ml over what? 100 ml. Ml cancels ml. 100 divided 500 is what? 5. 250 milligram times 5 is what? 1,250 what? Milligram. So 1,250 milligram of the drug will be in what? 500 what? Ml. But we are asked in what? That means we need to convert this to what? Gram. And we will still do pharmaceutical measurement, but You don't need pharmaceutical calculation to know how many milligrams that should be in what? 1 gram. By now, if you did chemistry in secondary school and did physics, you should know how many milligrams that should be in what? 1 gram. So how many milligrams are in 1 gram? God bless you. So we now have 1,000 milligram in what? In 1 what? Gram. Miracle. Or let me. 1,000 milligram is equal to what? 1 gram. Therefore, 1,250 milligram is equal to what? X. X is now equal to what? 250 milligram times what? 1 gram over what? 1,000 milligram. Milligram will do what? Cancel milligram. This divide this is what? What are the divide? Times 1 gram. 1.25 what? Gram. 1.25 gram. So there will be 1.25. So 1.25 gram. If you solve, remember, if you solve it and stop here, you are losing this last explanation. This last what is it called? It's very important. It has its own mark. If you don't put it, you lose mark. Depending on the question, the total mark of the question. Sometimes it can be two marks. Sometimes it can be up to 4 marks, depending. So, or depending on the steps involved in the calculation. Please don't joke with it. So when you are done, you simply go back to the question. If you don't know what to write, go back to the question, and from the question, you can now frame what you should be here. We are told how many grams of the drug are needed to prepare 500 ml of solution. When you are done, simply say, therefore, 1.25 gram of the drug are needed to prepare 500 ml of the solution. Full stop. You have your full mark. I'm telling you why you may solve questions and end up. Calculation is step. The step you took is very important. It's not just to come and wallop and kick out 1 or 2 things. You may get the answer, but you may not get the full mark. So far it is essay. So far it's theory. You need to show what you are solving. If it is OBJ, you can just do anything by the side and get your answer. Nobody has time to check what you did. But if it is, because you need to do it such a way that somebody else that want to look at what you did can do what? Understand it. Two of us. Let's assume you have a textbook. A textbook you are reading. One farm calc textbook you are reading. Only for you to see work example there. Have you kick out 1 or 2 things by the side and give an answer? Will you understand it? So that same way, if we can understand what you are solving, then you have failed. You will not get your full mark. Please, let's note that. Also, the answer is what? 1.25 gram of the drug is needed. So between this and this, which one is the amount of the drug and amount of the medicine? Between the gram and ml, which one is the amount of the drug and amount of the medicine? From the answer, we are told that 1.25 gram of the drug is required to prepare 500 ml of solution. So which one is the amount of the drug and which one is the amount of the medicine? Okay. Amount of the what? Medicine. So which one is now the concentration of the drug in the medicine? 500. Don't worry. Is what? No. We are just calling the amount. The amount of the drug is in the medicine is 1.25 gram, right? Of the drug, 1.25 gram. Medicine is 500 ml. Now, what is now the concentration of the drug in the medicine? Use your secondary school knowledge of concentration. Stop looking at me. Use your titration. Use what you did in your practical, in your volumetric analysis. What is concentration? That those that did not go to secondary school. What is concentration in your volumetric analysis? Secondary school. What? Tell me. Is what? God bless you. You see this divided by the what over this volume. Huh? Some of you wrote work last year and you're looking at me like this. Lot of miracles are going on. Oh. Miracles up and down. Let me say miracle and heaven and work. Yeah, and we just simple question they cannot answer. Concentration you did. Concentration what? Mass concentration. Molar concentration. You don't know again. All right, so I'm not prepared, but this is also a topic you do here. This is Sunday school topic. Two of us. Am I even saying this is Sunday school? We are first year here, sir. Is it Sunday school? You are first year here. We are practical. It's not true. It's not true. Please, at a point, everything you are doing now is built upon what you did before. Don't leave everything. Say, we have done it. If you come up again, you have to go back again. Please, build up. Any other question, please? Any other question? I'll give you an opportunity. If you watch now, I'm not teaching entirely. I just want you to bring question. Let's solve here. If you share because come right on the board now, please. Fifi. You say what? No, the point is not even from here, from this till now. Is it should it be mass concom or monacom? Why is it monacom? Why is it monacom? Tell me if you are going into that. It's mass comp now. It's mass comp. Is this not a mass? Amount can be in mass. Amount can be in moles. So what is mentioned here is mass. So and this is volume. So it's mass. The basic answer I wanted to hear from you that the amount of the drug over the entire what product. Simple. That's concentration. And it's the same thing you were doing in you did in your secondary school. You just that here that we now customize it to drug and solution. The drug and the solution. We now customize it here. Because this is pharmaceutical what? Calculation. It's not ordinary what? Chemistry. And that's why you did what you did in your Chem 122. That thing you did in your Chem 122. You will see most of them in this course. That's why you did it. If even the dilution you did in your Chem 122, you see C's as a topic in PharmCalc. So if after doing all those things by now, I wonder what you did in your Chem 122. I wonder how you were able to pass. Because me, I don't understand. All right, so now. Hello, listen carefully. This is one of the reasons why I see maintain in my course. Take every course I'm teaching you in this school seriously. I don't know about another thing. Any course I'm offering, take it seriously. You must pass it. Nobody's adding one mark for you. You must pass it. If school allow you to take it 2 times, 3 times, you must pass it. If you don't pass it, you keep failing it until school say we are tired. Repeat. So ensure you study. If you have any issue, ask questions. It will explain here. I'm so confused that up to now some people don't even know. Anyway, let's continue. All right, so let's look at this question and see what we can make out of it. Out of them, 1, 2.
Sir, the second one is a mistake. Sorry.
Mistake.
Please, first review question.
First question.
No, this one. How to review it?
Fourth. Okay.
I made a mistake.
You go fourth. Wow. That's good. Wow. I like that. All right, let's look at this question. Wow, some people are doing some people are working here. Okay now. So I still sleeping. She mistakenly exposed herself. Well done. Bravo. Now look at this question. The question says calculate the naira amount. Calculate the naira amount by using the following percentage. Calculate the naira amount by using the following percentage. Leave your answers in 2 decimal places. Leave your answer in 2 decimal places. Chinaya, your attention should be here. Huh? Good. Now, the question is simple. We have 200 naira here, right? We want to find 25% of what? 200. I write it here. 50% of what? 200. I write it here. 75% of what? 200. If you solve that and write without taking into consideration the decimal places, you will do what? So please, The answer must be in two decimal places. And even though we still, but let me just introduce it. Whenever you are asked to put a number in a particular decimal place, please, let's assume we have 2.47, for example. Now, are we together? This number is in two decimal places. So, immediately after the decimal point, I want to explain what we mean by decimal places. We've done place value, wonderful, but I want to use layman understanding, okay? I don't want to blow the grammar here. Immediately after the decimal points, the digits following the decimal points, digits to the right of the decimal point, am I communicating? Yes. So number of digits to the right of the decimal point determines the number of what? Decimal places. So if you have one digit to the left of the decimal point, it's in one decimal place. If you have two digits to the right of the decimal point, it's two decimal places. Am I communicating? But remember, sometimes you may do a calculation that may result to a continuous number, something like 2.4784 blah blah blah. And you are told to leave your answer in two decimal places. Please remember your rules of rounding, okay? Rounding. Here is 2 point. If it is two decimal places, this is decimal point, right? You count 1, 2, right? That means you should stop here. But you don't just stop here. Look at the number, the next number here. If that number is up to what? And above, you round, okay? Yes. You round up this. You round up this to what? 2.48. But let's assume you have 2.47187. And you are told to leave it in two decimal places. And you have something like this. Of course, this is decimal point 1, 2. You put this here. You now look at these numbers here. This one here is not up to 5, right? Yes. You look at this one here. Even if you move it to this place, it will be 2. Yes. It won't be up to 5 again. In this case now, you round down. You round down to what? 2.47. You are rounding down here. Do you know why it's round down? Because what the number you get is less than the value of this. Hope you know. Yes. True of us. Yes. This is 2.47187. This is 2.47. Is it this and this? Which one is greater? Which one is greater? This one greater, huh? So you round down to what? 2.47. This is round down. Okay? You rounded it down to what? 2.47 because this one is not to 5. You throw it away, right? You round down. But here, this one is which one is greater? 2.48 and 2.47. Which one is greater? So here you round up. You round this one up to what? 2.48 because here is up to 5 and above. Am I communicating? Now sometimes you may also be given a calculation that may result to a whole number, and you are told to leave it in two decimal places. Maybe the answer is 4, and the instruction says leave it in two decimal places. Simply put point 0, 0. Am I communicating? Yes. Or maybe the answer may be 4.1. That's what you got from your calculation, and you are told to leave it in three decimal places. Simply do what? 4.1 what? 0, 0. Simple. So three digits are after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Does it make sense? Yes. Now let's solve this question. 255. You have to do what? 3. 2550. Okay. Sorry, whole number. Sorry. You mean 255. You're going to do what? Is 255 point what? 000. Does it make sense? Even though they have the same value, but because of limit, it should be 000. Are we together? Right, now, look at it. Let's now solve this question. The question says, calculate the naira amount by using the following percentages. Leave your answers in two decimal places. So this is 200 Nigerian naira, right? So 24% of 200 is what?
50.
You solved it, right?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So what should be here?
50.009.
Then after solving, you not put your units. Sorry. It's a denominate what? Number. It's a denominate what? Number. You can leave it like this, or any of them is okay. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together? No problem. I'll mark it. But there must be what? Because it's denominated. Okay?
Yes.
What of this one? 100 point what? This one come?
150.009.
Is it clear now? Is it clear? I think we'll stop here so that. All right. Okay. And I will ask. If it is essay question. Yes, now. Yes. You show it, yeah. Three significant figures. It's already in 365 figures. 255 is already what? 3 significant figures. No one will still do 2 figures. There are rules of significant figures that if I start now, you may not understand it. Okay, let's leave it. When we enter significant figures, then we will now throw more light on that. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you.